2011 Nissan Rogue, bad compressor, had to get it out, so I took the alternator out because I thought I can get it from the top, but you don't have to take the alternator off. Just remove these plastics, one on the side, the crankshaft pulley cover, and the inner fender. Just bring it back a little bit, and you can reach it from here. You got enough room to bring it out and change it. So we want to replace the compressor on 2011 Nissan Rogue. You don't have to take the alternator off. So that's all I wanted to share with you. That way you don't do mistakes, and try to be safe. Bolts on the compressor is number 12 socket, and the bolts on the alternator is number 14 if you want to replace the alternator sometimes. But yeah, let me put it on, charge it, vacuum it, and then charge it again with the freon, and this car gonna be ready to use the AC again. All right, take care, and thank you for watching. God bless you.